In this video, we're reviewing Dohop, a flight booking platform. Find links below. Dohop helps you book multi-airline itineraries with smooth transfers, often cheaper than traditional platforms. Unlike typical aggregators, Dohop specializes in self-connecting flights, finding the best routes between different airlines, even those without partnerships. Simply enter your departure and destination cities, and Dohop searches across numerous airlines for optimal routes. It often suggests alternative airports and budget-friendly layovers for the best price and convenience. Once you choose, Dohop redirects you to the airline or partner to book. A key advantage is Dohop Connect, protecting you from missed connections due to delays. If a delay causes you to miss your flight, Dohop helps with rebooking or accommodations at no extra cost. This adds security when booking multi-airline trips. Dohop is ideal for budget travelers, frequent flyers seeking flexible connections, and those exploring destinations without direct flights. It's great for low-cost carriers that don't typically offer interline agreements. It's also useful for travelers who prefer mixing airlines for a personalized itinerary. One limitation: Dohop doesn't handle traditional round trips in a single transaction like major online travel agents. Each segment is often a separate booking, so changes or cancellations depend on individual airline policies. However, the missed connection protection makes it safer than manually booking self-transfers. Overall, Dohop is excellent for finding cost-effective and unique flight combinations. It simplifies self-connecting flights and provides peace of mind. Looking for a smart way to book multi-airline routes? Check out the links below and explore Dohop for your next trip.